Buy these up. I see these continuing to skyrocket in 2024. I'm giving away a pair of reimagined Bread 4s to one of my subscribers, you guys watching this video. To enter this free giveaway for a pair of reimagined Bread 4s, all you guys need to do is smash that like button. Let's get this video up to 200 likes. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Let me know what size you need. Of course, make sure you guys subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Join the More family. Comment down below. Let me know what size you need. And then DM me on Instagram. DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed here to my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys send me that DM. Good luck on the giveaway. The giveaway ends at the end of this month. Good luck on a free pair of reimagined Bread 4s. This is the most affordable sneaker bag on the market. It's made by Crease Guards. It also comes with an extra bag with your purchase as well. No extra purchase necessary. This bag will hold an extra pair of sneakers. This bag here holds up to 4 pairs of sneakers. You also have room for your laptop, chargers, clothes. These dividers come out, they move around, so you can put everything with you when you're traveling. And the best part is you can bring your sneakers. Check that out, it's awesome. Make sure you guys check out Crease Guards with my link down below in the description. And you guys are also going to receive a warranty with your bag as well. Crease Guards also has Crease Guard crease protectors, so make sure you guys check them out and use my code Danny40 for 40% off your order. That makes these the most affordable sneaker bags on the market. Make sure you guys check them out. The best sneaker bags on earth. Thank you, Crease Guards, for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love my sneaker bag. I use it all the time. Make sure you guys check out their premium duffel. It is absolutely fire and holds all your sneakers. Poison. You guys see, I went with Poison for this purchase because these were cheaper on Poison than any other platform. This video is not sponsored by Poison, but if you guys would like to shop Poison for yourself, I'll have a link down below in the description. You can go ahead and check out Poison for yourself. They are sometimes cheaper than other platforms. 100% authentic, good to go. So I had no issues buying these. They came in very, very quickly. Like I said, this video is not sponsored. I'm not being paid to say this. I just really mess with Poison a lot. I think Poison is a really good place to buy sneakers. They are coming from overseas internationally, but a lot of your orders from StockX and GOAT are as well, and they don't tell you until after you get the tracking. Well, at least with Poison, you know that they're coming from overseas, and everything is authenticated. They are the middleman service, good to go, just like other platforms. So I highly recommend them. If you guys want, link down below in the description. Like I said, keep saying not being paid. This is not sponsored. If it was, I have to legally tell you guys this is not sponsored by Poison. I just really mess with the platform. So right here we have a pair of sneakers that I'm telling you guys to buy these up. They do come bubble wrapped, which is nice. Keep that box in great condition. And I'm telling you guys, buy these up. Man, buy these up while you still can, because prices are starting already to creep up. They already have gone up. They're going up more. They're not done. I don't think these are done. I think these have potential to touch $800-900 in the future. I know that sounds crazy, but I do see potential for this Air Jordan sneaker continuing to go up. Prices right now are anywhere from like $350 for the smaller sizes, like a size 8, and then like a size 12, 11, 12, 13 are like over $600 now. So prices are kind of all over the place. Markets everywhere. Depends on size. But if you can get them for a good price, I recommend it. And doing it while you can, while you still can, would be a great idea. The authenticate certificate just fell out, but that's okay. We don't need that. Right here, we do have the tissue paper. And here they are. Yeah. Man. Continuing to be a problem, going to continue to be a problem. Prices are continuing to go up. I don't see it stopping down or slowing down anytime soon. I see them continuing to go up as people acknowledge the fact that this is a good pair of Air Jordan 4s, myself included. I finally acknowledge this sneaker as being a good shoe. When I first saw them, I was wrong. I did not like them. I wasn't a fan, but my opinion has certainly changed. You guys see you do have the Poison authentic tag on them. But yes, my opinion has fully changed. 180 opinion. I think this is a great pair of Air Jordan 4s. And now with the news that the Jordan 4s that we are going to be receiving from here on out are going to look just like this. As far as the shape, as far as the build, this is what we're going to be receiving from here on out. With the reimagined Bread 4s, the military blue 4s, and so on, this is the shape of what we're going to receive, which hopefully means that Jordan 4s will become more comfortable, because the SB 4s are more comfortable than your traditional Air Jordan 4. So hopefully that means that the new Jordan 4s that we receive this year will be nice and comfortable, like these are nice and comfortable. Now, back to the price, guys. Listen, buy them. I expect prices to continue to go up. Could they touch $800-900 in the bigger sizes? Yeah, I certainly think so. I think it'll take more time. Give it more time, another year, 2 years, 3 years down the line. Could they touch $800-900? Yeah, I certainly think so. I do. With this sneaker being as hyped as it is, with the hype, the demand on this shoe that still is there, well after the release now, people still want the SB4s. And in 2023, I want you guys to let me know down below in the comments, was this sneaker of the year for you in 2023? For me, no. The reimagined the reimagined 3s take that. But I do think this is a good shoe. Like I said, I think my mind has done a full 180. They're good. They're very good. I like the colorway. I like the color blocking. I think it's a solid shoe. So, yes, I think these are a great buy. While prices, they're not low by any means. They are over retail. They're still expensive, especially in the bigger sizes. But compared to what prices could be in the future, you see what I'm saying? I think potential is there. And they already, keep this in mind, they already have gone up since their release. They already have gone up in price. Keep that in mind. Prices have gone up already. So I do think they will continue to go up. They already are continuing to go up. It wasn't that long ago that size 11, size 12 was around $500. They're now at over $600. They have gone up already. So I do expect them to continue, as people love and appreciate this sneaker years down the line. Still going to be a sought-after pair of Air Jordan 4s. And who knows, are we going to receive more Nike SB Air Jordan 4s in the future? Hopefully we do. I want to see more colorways of the Jordan 4 SB. I want you guys to comment down below 2 things. First of all, if you do have a pair of the SB4s, comment down below a bunch of fire emojis. If you guys don't own a pair, please comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who owns a pair and who does not. The next thing I want you guys to comment, and please let me know, what colorway would you like to see Jordan Brand do on a Jordan 4 SB? What colorway would you like to see? Me personally, I think this would be nice, but instead of green, give us red. I think that would be crazy good. Good gum outsole, leave it the way it is, just give us the red. They gave us the red hits. Imagine just red. I think that would be great. Let me know what you guys think about the SB Air Jordan 4s down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about that price. Prices are going up. Buy these up while you can. Buy them, buy them, buy them. I think it's a really good pair of Jordan 4s, and we're just watching that price increase. It's steadily increasing, and I think it's going to continue. As the market's down, we all know the sneaker market's down, prices are dropping, but when it comes to this specific shoe, I just think people are willing to spend the money. They're willing to. They're willing to in this day and market on this shoe. For some reason, this shoe is just it for a lot of people, and I think prices are going to continue to go up. This is a great pair of Nike SB Air Jordan 4s. Definitely a fire pair. If you guys want a chance to win a pair of sneakers like this for just $25, make sure you guys give me a follow on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. All right, send me a DM. Let me know that you guys are interested in some shoes for $25, and I'll send you the details. All right, make sure you guys send me a DM on Instagram. Let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments. And if you guys want some $25 shoes, send me that DM. Make sure you guys also send me that DM to enter in the Bread 4 Reimagined giveaway. Get your giveaway entries in. The giveaway does end at the end of January, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in, all right? I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below in the comments. Nike SB Air Jordan 4 Pine Green, cop or drop. Thanks for watching, guys. We out.